This two-room thermal shock test chamber is a professional device specially designed for high reliability testing of semiconductor packages, PCB, and consumer electronic products. Adopting a two-tank structure, the test sample moves rapidly between the high-temperature room and low-temperature room with the bucket. It can complete extreme temperatures ranging from the high-temperature range of 60 degrees to 150 degrees to the low-temperature range of -40 degrees to -10 degrees within 10 seconds. The temperature recovery time is controlled within 5 minutes, with a temperature fluctuation of only plus or minus 0.5 degrees. It strictly complies with testing standards such as IEC 60068-1. Under severe thermal shock, a series of critical defects will be fully exposed, including delamination and cracking of chip package, breakage and wetting of good wear bonds, as well as functional drift or failure of components caused by mismatched thermal expansion coefficients. These hidden defects that are difficult to detect at room temperature will be fully triggered and reviewed in rigorous thermal shock tests. Stable, energy-saving, and reliable in operation, the chamber is equipped with 7-inch full-color touchscreen for simple and intuitive operation. Greatly improve testing efficiency. With strict testing standards, we build a solid quality barrier for a stable operation of products. Follow Sanwood technology to make quality tests easier.